Today we're going to unbox the SEM Series 5-inch close-coupled submersible pump. You can get all these parts from our standard offer: a manual book, the lifting rope, the pipe connector, a control box, the pump with cable, the float switch, the power cable, the power plug. This pump is a 5-inch multi-stage close-coupled sump pump with stainless steel construction. The impellers and diffusers are made of reinforced knurl, with wear-resistant stainless steel thrust ring. The delivery port is 1.25 inch. Start up with this connector easily. The float switch is optional for automatic operation and can also be removed for manual work. The cable is 10 meters as standard, but can be tailored longer or shorter. If you find the cable shorter after you already have it, we've got you covered by the cable extending video. The bottom strainer prevents large particles and ensures strong suction. But you should still remember that this is a pump for clean water. This control box is used to control the switch of the submersible pump, which will be convenient for your operation. It can also be supplied with non-control box or upgraded control box with more protections. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of our SEM pumps. These pumps are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and performance, and we're confident that they will exceed your expectations. We'll catch you on next videos.